Alright, so hi guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to the channel CryptoX and CryptoX this side. So in today's video we are going to discuss that can Bitcoin reach the level of zero or not, right? So most of the time you might have heard that Bitcoin might go to zero, but is it really possible to reach that level? So we'll be discussing this thing with the facts and obviously with the data that can it reach to zero or not. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. Trading is informed, involves risk. So before everything you do, analyze your financials and then decide. We are not responsible for any kind of losses. It is very important to do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances.
Alright, so as you might have heard most of the times that there are some big investors in the crypto industry or in the Bitcoin industry that that make the price extremely volatile, right? The question is, do they manipulate the market? So the answer is yes, they do manipulate the market, right? So despite having billions or trillions of dollars in their account, right? So they used to manipulate the market. So if they want Bitcoin to be zero, right? So they are the ones who make extremely huge money out of the market, right? So if the price of Bitcoin will reach to zero, there will be no any chance for them to make a lot of money, right? If the price will go to zero, if they themselves will take the price to zero, then there would be no any chance, right? There would be no any chance to make extremely huge money, right? Because they won't be able to manipulate the market, unfortunately, right? So this is the number one thing, that if the whales want to make the money, ultimately they will manipulate the market, and regardless to that, they will not take the price of Bitcoin to zero. Another point that I can I can explain you here is there are a lot of trillion-dollar industries or billion-dollar industries that have huge holdings of Bitcoin. So they have a huge holding of Bitcoin with themselves, right? So ultimately, whenever the price go below or whenever the price crashes, so ultimately they also buy the dips to make the good profits and to have the good ultimately have good amount of Bitcoin in their wallet, right? So these were the two things that I just wanted to share with you all guys, that the price of Bitcoin couldn't reach to zero, right? Number one thing was about the whales. If they manipulate, they won't be if they take the price to zero, they won't be able to make money. And another thing, most of the billion-dollar, trillion-dollar company have been engaged into the crypto market, right? So ultimately there are no any kind of chance that Bitcoin be reaching to zero, right? So this was the only thing to explain you or inform you guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel as well if you haven't subscribed yet, and meet you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.